Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I am coming to you with something totally different. Um I'm going to show you 10 ways on how to make money from home, online, and offline. Online and offline. Starting off with number 1 is called test websites. You can test websites and apps. I have an app called usertesting.com. I will put the link on the bottom of this video. And you're going to complete short tests to be accepted. You get paid in 7 days. So the name of the testing site is called usertesting.com, and you're going to complete short tests to be accepted, and you could get paid in 7 days into your PayPal account. So we're up to number 2. It's called Take Surveys for Money. Surveys like QMe.com, which is very, very popular, and Quick Thoughts and Inbox Dollars. I will put these three links on the bottom so you can start making money, passive income, online, on your computer or your cell phone. 3 is called Monetize Your Twitch account. Get monthly paid in your PayPal account. Get paid monthly into your PayPal account. Number 4 is called Sell Your Photography. Sites like Fine Art America. Just upload your image and sell your prints. Upload your image and sell your prints. This is quite interesting to me as well. So I'm gonna check it out, and when I do a next video, I will tell you how I liked it. 5 is called Become a Dog Walker or a Dog Sitter. Apps like Wag and Rover takes about a week or so to set up your account, and you could get paid within the 3 to 4 days. Within a few days, you can get paid. Number 6 is called List Your Spare Bedroom on Airbnb. Be very careful. But if you have some extra room in your house, or you have like a 3-bedroom apartment and you want to make some extra money, you can list your spare bedroom or Airbnb, and you can get paid. They will show you how to set up your account and start renting out your spare room. 7 is called trade in ad phones and electronics for cash. Old phones and electronics for cash. You could trade the phones that you are no longer using, old electronics that you're no longer using. You could trade them in for cash on the spot. 8 is called Rent Out Your Car. It takes about a half an hour to set up this account through various companies that will help you rent your car out, and you could get paid. You could get paid every week or every 2 weeks into your account. So yes, you can rent your car, and this is another way of how to make money from the comforts of your home, offline, because you're going to be renting out your car to potential customers that will pay you to use your car, to rent your car, to use your car. Number 9 is called Drive for Uber. You could drive for Lyft. You get paid within days. I know you hear about this all the time, but yes, you could drive for Uber, you could drive for Lyft, and you will get paid weekly. 10 is find work as a house sitter. Make $25 to $45 a day at housesitter.com, which connects homeowners with house sitters. I was looking at this myself. I'm looking to make some extra money from home, not from home, but in somebody else's home to babysit, to house sit their home and get paid. I could get paid up to $25 to $45, or you could get paid from $25 to $45 a day. If you find any of these 10 ways how to make money from home, online and offline, check out click on the links you find interesting. And if you want more ways of how to make money from home, passive income, websites where you get daily cash payouts, legit survey sites, I'm gonna give you 3 today that are awesome. Consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell notification, so when I do my future videos, you'll be the first one to get a notification and you can check out that video. With that being said, I want to say thank you for hanging out with me for a little bit. I hope that these 10 ways of how to make money online and offline is going to help you in your endeavors and how to make and other options of how to make money from the comforts of your home. So take care. Happy holidays. Happy New Year's. Stay safe. And I will see you on the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.